Hello, this video is going to cover the complete installation and setup of the Hampton Bay Lauderdale Smart Pathlight. This is an easy way to integrate Pathlights into your smart home ecosystem. It uses the Hubspace app on your phone or tablet for complete control of the light, and it's easily integrated with Google Assistant and Alexa devices for voice control as well. The light is a color-changing LED light, so it offers a full spectrum of colors, from red to blue, green, everything in between, and also a full spectrum of white color temperature, so you have all the way from warm white to daylight deluxe and everything in between there as well. So just a couple of important notes before we begin. Inside the box you'll have this card. This card has the QR code that you'll need when hooking up the light to the Hubspace app. If you don't have that card, no worries, that QR code is also on the wire on the light itself. And one other important note is this is only compatible with 2.4 gigahertz networks. It won't be compatible with a 5 gigahertz network. So as you can see here, we've already unpacked the box. We're just going to make sure that we have everything, and that way we don't get stuck along the way. So inside the box, you'll have this heavy-duty stake. You'll have the light head, the post, and the wire, and that's all pre-assembled. You just have to screw the post onto the light head. And the wire does have this quick connector to make connecting to your landscape wiring quick and easy. So we have everything here. We're ready to begin. Let's do this.
Begin assembly by screwing the post onto the threaded end of the light head. Next, place the light wire into the notch cut out on the stake and then screw the post onto the threaded end of the stake. Now the light is ready to be placed outside. When installing the light, choose a place along the path or in the garden. Insert the stake into the ground and press firmly on the stake's foot peg with your foot to drive it into the ground. Next, place the low voltage cable into the wire guide on the quick connector. Place the top of the connector over the wire and squeeze the clip together until it snaps in place, making sure that the contacts of the connector pierce the low voltage cable. Finish the installation by covering the low voltage cable with mulch or burying it in a shallow trench no deeper than 6 inches. Test the light by turning on the low voltage lighting transformer. Download the free Hubspace app from your app store onto your smart device and create an account. For this next step, you will need the card with the QR code that was included in the box. Open the Hubspace app and then press the plus sign on the top right-hand corner to add a device. Select Add Product from the pop-up on the bottom of the screen. This will open a camera view in the app. Scan the QR code on the card to add the light. Once the light is added, you'll be able to give the light a name and assign a location. Once those are selected, press Connect. Once the connection is completed, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Done. Once the light is set up, you'll see it on the home screen of the Hubspace app. Click on the light name to display the various control options, such as light color, intensity, scheduling, and more. The top buttons allow you to control how the light looks and function as follows. The button on the left allows you to pick a white color temperature ranging from warm white 2700K all the way to daylight deluxe 6500K. The center button allows you to pick any color of the spectrum, and the button on the right allows you to choose from a variety of pre-programmed presets that will change the light display. The pairing process is similar between Google and Alexa devices. To pair the light, open the app and then select the plus sign to set up a device. Select Setup Device and then Works With option. From the next screen, you'll be able to scroll through to find Hubspace. Tap on Hubspace and then click Agree and Link. This will link the light with your assistant to allow for app or voice control. Once the light is paired with Alexa or Google devices, you can use your voice to control the light. You can say things like, "Okay Google, turn on my light," or "Okay Google, make the light tomato." That will turn it to red. You can say, "Okay Google, make my light forest green," and that'll turn the light to green. Explore the color settings on your Google or Alexa app to learn the names of the colors that will be used. Congratulations, the installation and setup are complete. Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your new light. As always, thank you for visiting thehomedepot.com and choosing to shop at The Home Depot.